Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this Mercedes A-Class in for a screen upgrade. So we're going to replace this screen with a different screen, but it's not going to be one of those Android, eBay, Amazon screens that you can buy that's Android powered, which generally fail after a while, full of loads of features and functions that aren't necessary. But what we're going to do is we're going to install a ZZ2 screen. So this is a screen replacement. You can have front and rear aftermarket cameras added, compatible with the OEM Bluetooth. It's a Linux system, so it's not the Android system, which is a bonus. USB playback, 3-year warranty, which I think is awesome. So let's get it installed. We'll take some pictures along the way and we'll see what it's like. Right, so here we are, all installed. I'm really impressed. I really like it. The fitment's nice, the quality's nice. The integration into the vehicle is really cool. So, because the original screen is that size, instead of stretching the screen, they just add a little logo on the side. But you've got the iDrive that all still works, and down through the radio. You touch that and you've got your Android or your CarPlay, or back to Mercedes. All your settings on there. So your CarPlay, your Spotify all comes through. So what this kit does is you pair your phone up to the factory Bluetooth, the factory Bluetooth telephone for Bluetooth telephone and audio, and the screen does the control. So the iDrive still works as well, which I think is really impressive. Obviously it's touchscreen, so all that comes through. The factory reversing camera still comes up, and your heater controls comes through. I really like this bit of kit. I think we're probably going to do quite a few of these because compared to the factory screen, this is a lot bigger. It's touchscreen, all updated. I really like it. So, if you need a screen replacement that's non-Android, that's Linux, give us a call.